Tara, samahan niyo ako magbasa ng libro. Hello, good evening. I'm Lay and my husband is Mel and this is our one moment. So, ngayon, kakagaling ko lang sa work. Kakauwi lang namin. And then, naisip ko lang, since mahilig din naman ako magbasa ng books, might as well, i-share ko rin sa inyo yung mga nababasa ko and yung knowledge na natutunan ko from the books that I've read. So, ngayon, ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo, siguro maganda i-share ko sa inyo chapter by chapter, diba? So, for this, period, maybe, ang i-discuss ko sa inyo, siguro ang i-share ko pala sa inyo, hindi maybe, no? Sorry. Now, ang napili kong book na i-share with you guys is the book written by a Japanese person. His name is Ichiro Kishimi and Fumitake Koga. And the title is this one. The Courage to be Disliked. This is the title. So, actually, ito yung favorite book ko ngayon. Okay. Sabi dito, The Courage to be Disliked. This is the Japanese phenomenon that shows you how to change your life and achieve real happiness. So basically, ang goal ng book is for us to achieve real happiness. So, i-start natin . I'll start with the introduction. Dun sa author's notes muna. Let's start with the author's notes. Okay. As per the author, this book is a combination of two philosophical and psychological ideas of Sigmund Freud, Carl Jung, and Alfred Adler. So, this one, it presents simple and straightforward answers to the philosophical question, how can one be happy? Lahat naman tayo ng gusto natin ma-achieve, di ba? To be happy. So, how can one be happy? So, the Adlerian psychology might hold the key. And reading this book might change your life. Paano hanggang dito na muna ha? And then, itutuloy natin sa next video. Okay na rin to para hindi masyadong mahaba and then para mabigyan natin ng diin or ma-highlight yung mga good points ng book. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you for your support and God bless you all. See you on the next one.